The boho minimalist aesthetic is the design world's perfect paradox, a beautiful, tranquil fusion of two seemingly opposite styles. It takes the free-spirited, textural warmth of bohemian chic and grounds it with the clean lines and intentional restraint of minimalism. The result is a bedroom that feels both cozy and collected, rich in personality yet utterly serene. It is the sanctuary of the thoughtful traveler, the creative who cherishes peace, and the soul who believes that a few well-loved pieces are more valuable than an abundance of clutter. Designing a bedroom that strikes this balance is an art. It requires a mindful approach where every textile, every plant, and every piece of furniture is chosen with both comfort and clarity in mind. Part 1. The foundation of calm minimalist structure. The minimalist principle provides the essential canvas, ensuring the room remains a place of rest and mental clarity rather than a cluttered bazaar. 1. The neutral, airy canvas. The journey begins with the walls and large furniture pieces, establishing a bright, expansive base. Color palette. Reject stark, cold white. Embrace warm neutrals, creams, off-whites, sands, and light beige. These soft hues maximize natural light and instantly provide the airiness of minimalism while adding the welcoming warmth required for the boho feel. The walls should serve as a quiet backdrop. Essential furniture. Stick to the absolute necessities: a bed, 1 or 2 nightstands, or an alternative like a wooden stool, and a dresser/wardrobe. Low-profile bed frame. Choose a simple, low-slung frame, ideally made of natural, light-colored wood or a subtly textured rattan. This keeps the sight lines open, giving the illusion of a larger, more grounded space. Hidden storage. To maintain the clutter-free look, invest in furniture that doubles as storage. A simple, closed-door wardrobe or a bed frame with built-in drawers hides the necessary but visually noisy items. 2. Mastering the art of less is intentional. The key minimalist technique here is editing. Before placing an item, ask, does this serve a purpose or spark joy? If the answer isn't a strong yes to at least one, it doesn't belong. Clutter-free surfaces. Nightstands and dressers should host only 1 or 2 items, perhaps a single, hand-thrown ceramic piece, a small stack of 3 books, or a tiny propagation vase. The empty space around the objects is crucial for the calming effect. Functional decor. Choose decor that has a practical function. Woven baskets serve as stylish storage for blankets or laundry. A simple, unframed mirror acts as both an art piece and a light amplifier. Part 2. Infusing the spirit, boho texture and soul. Once the clean structure is in place, the boho elements are introduced judiciously, not in quantity, but in richness of texture and soul. 1. Layering natural textures. This is where the room gains its depth, coziness, and distinct nomadic character. Since we limit volume, we must maximize tactility. The bedding. Start with a neutral base duvet, white, cream, or oatmeal linen. Then layer. A chunky knit, throw, draped across the foot of the bed. A few varied pillows that introduce the boho spirit. Mix a simple, solid-colored linen pillow with 1 or 2 embroidered, macrame, or mud cloth-inspired patterned pillows. The patterns should be restrained, subtle geometrics, abstract lines, or muted tribal motifs, avoiding overly bright, clashing colors. Rugs. A rug is essential for grounding the space and adding warmth. A jute, sisal, or neutral flat weave rug provides a fantastic natural base texture. For a softer feel, layer a smaller, high-pile cream or ivory rug on top of a jute, or opt for a simple, patterned kilim rug in muted, earthy tones. 2. The earthy accent palette. While the base is neutral, the boho spirit allows for pops of deep, natural color. These accents should be consistently woven into the textiles and art. Primary accents. Think earth tones: terracotta, burnt orange, olive green, muted mustard, or dusty rose. These colors connect the space to nature and provide the necessary visual warmth. Strategic placement. Use these colors sparingly. For example, a single terracotta ceramic planter, a throw pillow in an olive green velvet, or a piece of abstract art featuring a touch of burnt sienna. 3. Organic decor and artisan focus. The minimalist rule dictates that fewer items are permitted, so the items chosen must have character and a story. The boho element brings the handcrafted, global feel. Textural wall art. Opt for a single, large macrame piece, a woven wall hanging, or a geometric carved wood panel above the bed. This adds significant texture without the visual clutter of a large gallery wall. Lush greenery. Bring the outdoors in, a staple of the boho style. Use large, sculptural plants like a fiddle leaf fig or a strelitzia in a woven basket or terracotta pot. A few small succulents or a hanging pothose plant add life without taking up floor space. Lighting with soul. Replace generic overhead fixtures with lighting that acts as a statement piece. A rattan pendant light, a wicker lampshade, or a simple floor lamp with a linen drum shade introduces organic texture and casts a warm, inviting glow. The final synthesis, creating flow and balance. The final step is to ensure the two styles merge seamlessly. Furniture lines. Pair the curved, organic shapes of boho, like a rattan chair or a round mirror, with the straight, clean lines of minimalist furniture. This contrast creates dynamic visual interest while maintaining balance. Curated collections. If you have small collections, e.g., travel finds, ceramics, group them on a floating shelf or a tray to contain the visual chaos. This allows the eclectic pieces to be appreciated as a single unit, adhering to the minimalist principle of clear zoning. Let the light in. Maximize natural light. Use sheer, neutral linen or cotton curtains that filter the light softly. This instantly achieves the airy, relaxed atmosphere central to both aesthetics. The boho minimalist bedroom is not about deprivation, it is about purposeful abundance. It is a space where the warmth of texture meets the peace of white space, creating a truly unique and deeply personal sanctuary that invites both rest and inspiration.